Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can enter journal entries in QuickBooks. So let's get started. First, go to the settings icon and open the chart of accounts. Click on New. Select Assets as the account type. From the detail type, choose the right category, like cash on hand, inventory, vehicles, or equipment. Give it a clear name such as office equipment or company vehicle. If you already have a balance, enter the amount and the date. Then click Save and Close. Then let's set up an equity account. Again, go to Chart of Accounts and click New. This time, choose Equity as the account type. Under Detail Type, you can pick options like Owner's Equity, Owner's Contribution, Owner's Draw, or Retained Earnings. Name the account, for example, Owner Contribution Jawad. Click Save and Close. After that, you need to know how to use these accounts. If you purchase an asset with company money, record the payment to that asset account. If you invest personal money into the business, record it as a deposit and select the owner's contribution account. And if you take money out for yourself, record it under owner's draw. Finally, when you run your balance sheet report, you'll see all your assets clearly on one side and your equity on the other. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.